Previously we studied triangles, and we said that the sides of a triangle are proportional to the measures of their opposite angles. In other words, the greater the angle, the longer the opposite side, and the smaller the angle, the shorter the opposite side. But, how proportional are they? What relationship can we set between the angles and sides of a triangle? How do we link the angles and sides of a triangle? This is what we are going to learn now, but to link the angles and sides of a triangle, so, we name each sides of the triangle after the opposite angle but with a small letter. So, this side is named with a small a, and this side is named with a small b, and this side is named with a small c. We draw the height of the triangle which opposites two acute angles in two right triangles. What is the length of the opposite side in a right triangle? The opposite side is equal to the sine of the opposite angle times its hypotenuse. So, the height h of the outer triangle, which is an opposite side in two right triangles, is equal to the product of the sine of the opposite angle and its hypotenuse. Therefore, h could be sine b times a, or sine a times b. This also means that a sine b is equal to b sine a. These two equal products can be taken back to two equal ratios, or what is called proportion, this way. We can say a over sine a is equal to b over sine b. Let's construct another height and see what we get. This height can also be given using the product of the sine of each opposite angle and its hypotenuse. So, this height could be sine c times a or sine a times c. As we know, equal products can be rewritten as equal ratios. These products can be rewritten as a over sine a is equal to c over sine c. By combining these two proportions we get this general rule. We can also flip it to get an equivalent form like this. From this proportion we can understand that the sides of a triangle are proportional to the sine of their opposite angles. This rule is named after its trig ratio, the sine rule, or the laws of sines. To sum up, the sine rule is a rule that relates the sides and angles of a triangle. The rule says that the sides of a triangle are proportional to the sine of the opposite angles. This rule helps us to find a missing angle given two sides and non-included angle. Or to find a missing side given two angles and any side, as we will see next.